Hi everybody, this is Sonya, and this is February 11th, 2018, and I'm here just to do a quick Stitchy Carousel package update. This will be update number 2. The carousel package is moving along if you have not been following it. It arrived at the third person today on Sunday. She will be mailing it tomorrow to the fourth person. So it's moving right along. There have been no problems whatsoever. Please, if you're not following the participants of the carousel package, I have everybody in my, I think it's the cross stitch video that I did, my last one, I believe. I have everybody down there. Please go, I will probably put them down below as well. Please go subscribe to them so you can watch the package as it travels. It's really fun to see what everybody keeps from the box. Also, I want to let everybody know that we had one person that dropped out, so that moves everybody up one space. And the reason for this being is because she was moving. She thought she had a month left to move, but she is moving this coming week, tomorrow, Monday through Friday. So she could not participate. So anyway, it was covered in cat hair. So you guys can mark her off as far as seeing any video from her. And the next person to receive the package is going to be Linda Denton. Now, she does not do videos, but she has been a subscriber of mine for many years, and she has participated before. So I let her participate this time. What she will do is when she opens the box, takes what she wants, she will email me and let me know what it is, and I will put it in the description by her name, what she took from the box, so that everyone will know. That's how that will work. Also, I want to let everybody know, when I sent you the rules and I give the example of 3 items, if there is more things in there than you want, then is more than 3 items, please feel free to take more than 3 items. I was just using that as an example. If you see 5 things you want, please take 5 things. I notice a lot of people are just taking 3 things, and I don't know if that's because of the example that I had or what, but please take as many things as you want as long as you put that many things back. And also, if you want to send extra goodies, please feel free to do so. Just put everything in the plastic Ziploc bags. So there will be the 8 items, and then any additional items will go in Ziploc bags. So anyway, I think that's it for this time. I just wanted to do another quick update to let everybody know that it's moving right along, and it's on its way to the 4th person tomorrow. And I will be back in another week with another update. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for participating in the Stitchy Carousel package. And until next time, everybody have a great week.